All right, guys, so here's why intermittent fasting isn't necessarily a calorie deficit. Let me explain. Maybe you typically start your day with some scrambled eggs and some toast, roughly maybe 400 calories. You go to work and your colleague brings in a box of munchkins because it's Jennifer's last day. She's getting promoted. You take one, probably two. That's 150 calories. That'll probably hold you over till lunch where you go out with your friends and you order a BLT with fries, 800 calories. You planned ahead, you're probably working late and you brought a little snack pack of hummus or some yogurt, roughly 140 calories. Dinner rolls around and your husband surprises you. Probably not. Home for dinner and you air fry some chicken, some broccoli, and some rice. Roughly 650 to 700 calories. For a grand total of 2,140 calories. Not bad, right? Now you decide to start intermittent fasting. Wake up and you have a cup of black coffee. 0 calories. Since this is your first day, you are absolutely starving and you figure